Hey guys, I'm back again. I know I haven't been posting for a while, but school's out and it's time to record videos. Well, as you can see in the beginning of this video, I'm here testing with some balloons because they were giving me work. The blue balloons kept on popping. It was hot, so you can see I'm a little frustrated. But it got done, and you'll see the ending product of how it looked. So I've been doing balloons for a little while now. Actually, my cousin put me on. She does balloons at my kid's school, and she went on maternity leave. So somebody had to take over for the school, school decorations, and we have other people, but mainly she would do it. So I picked up where she left off, just learning, and it was an awesome experience, gaining experience doing balloons. So this was my ending product. I know a little something something now, and you can book me. But yeah, so as I said, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and there will be more videos to come. Thanks again, guys. I forgot to say one thing. I combined my TikTok video. I recently finally got 1,000 views in my TikTok. So I combined my video so you guys can see it. But again,
go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back?
Okay, so first I had did like this. Then I did like this. And then I had did like this. And then like this. And that got me this. And you should book with me because I can do this. Can you do this?
Five.